Assalamu alaikum students. This is your third class of grammar. Let's start it. There are two sets of examples. The first A is he is going in the street. One B is he was going in the street last night. He is going in the street. वो स्ट्रीट में जा रहा है. He was going in the street last night. वो last night पिछली रात स्ट्रीट में जा रहा था. is changed into was. Second example, A part, they are talking. They are talking, वो बातें कर रहे हैं. B part, they were talking. They were talking, वो बातें कर रहे थे. Means are is changed into were. Is, are used for present situation and was and were are used for past situation. So this is the lesson about past continuous tense. You have taken class about the use of ing verb in present form. Now this is the class about the use of ing verb in past form. For past, we use was and were. Now there are some pronouns I, he, she, it, and with singular noun we use was. Like I was going, he was going, she was going, it was going, Ali was going. For you, we, they, and plural noun we use were. Like you were eating, we were eating, they were eating, Ali and Sarah were eating. You can see these two sections. Are is changed into were with the same pronouns like you are eating, आप खा रहे हैं, you were eating, आप खा रहे थे. We are eating, हम खा रहे हैं. We were eating, हम खा रहे थे. They are eating, they were eating. Ali and Sarah are eating, Ali and Sarah were eating. Now this is the second half of this section. In this you can see he, she, it and singular noun. We use is in present situation. And for he, she, it and singular noun we use was. Only is the difference between I. In present form we use am with I, but in past there is no any other word. Was is used with I. This is negative form of past continuous sentences. Now number one is I was not eating food in the party. Just like same in present form you use not between helping verb and main verb. So there is was is, there is was. Was is helping verb. Was and eating is main verb. Not is used between was and eating. Second is children were not playing happily in the garden. For children we use were because children is a plural noun. For plural noun we use were. So not is used between were and playing. Number third, my father was not driving very fast when he met an accident. Number four, you were not crying for food. Number five, the crow was not searching for water. Hopefully you have done exercise B. If you have not done yet, you can do now. Exercise B, 1B is write all above sentences by using was or were. Means am, is, or helping verb are changed into now was and were. You have to use was and verb in place of these am, is, are. Like I was playing in the ground. He. He was cooking in the kitchen. We. We were taking bath in pool. She. She was sleeping in the room. You. You were eating junk food. They. They were sleeping in the room. Ahmed. Ahmed was buying the vegetables. Neela. Neela was skipping in the yard. Monkeys. Monkeys were jumping on the trees. Bear. Bear was catching the fishes. And with this, you have to do exercise B 2B. This is exercise 2B because this is after exercise 2A. This is exercise 2A that I told you in previous lesson. Now this is B exercise. 1B and 2B I am telling you now today. Exercise 1B. Do exercise 1B by using not in the sentences. Means you have to write now these all in negative form. So how can you change it? Yes, I was not playing in the ground. He was not cooking in the kitchen. We were not taking bath in the pool. She was not sleeping in the room. Students, you have to do these exercises in your notebook, copy B that I told you, and I have written a note on the task. This is an additional assignment for you. With that copy work, you have to write this assignment also. This assignment is about past continuous. Use the given verbs in past continuous to fill the blanks. Means these given verbs, the red one, you have to write it is in past continuous form. The first one is done for you. While the family was sleeping. Sleep change into was sleeping. Because family is, we consider family as a single noun. For single noun, we use was. And for plural noun, we use were. So I have written while the family was sleeping. Sleep change into sleeping. This all lesson is about use of verb with ing. Ing use of verb. Ing verbs of use we use ing verbs with is, am, are in present form and with was and were in past form. So in this lesson I am telling you the use of ing verb with was and were. Number 2, they dash clean the house when the bell rang. Now you have to write the correct form of verb. The clean is a verb that is given. You have to use the correct form of clean here. Means past continuous. You have to change clean in ing verb and you have to use a helping verb. And for they we use yes were. For they we use were helping verb. Number 3, while Asma blank down the stairs, she lost her shoes. Run. You have to use run here. My friend blank for me. Wait. You have to write correct form of wait here. While she blank, I called her. And here you have to use study.